Hey folks, this is Jim McQuaid with YourLifeRealtor.com. Today we're just discussing the whole 2.98% interest rate and how that affects you. I've had a lot of sellers saying, hey, that's great, Jim, but how in the world does 2.98 affect me other than potential refinancing? And I'm going to go over that with you right now. So 2.98 is a game changer, and 2.98 is only the one threshold, of course. I've seen some rates as low as 2.62 on 15-year loans and everything, which is huge. For us Dave Ramsey followers, most of us are going after those 15-year mortgages, and a 2.62 interest rate is extremely low. I remember back in the day when it was 10% or 4.5. So 2.98 and 2.62, these rates are incredibly low. So what does it do for you? Now, if you're a buyer, it's buying power. So for every little bit it goes down, that gives you more money that you can actually put towards purchasing a home. It gives you better buying power. Potentially, if you were able to go and afford, according to the bank, a $250,000 home, even just 6 months, a year ago, it could be gone up by $30,000, $40,000. Who knows? You could be looking in a whole new area. Just incredible news for you if you're a buyer. Not only that, but your payments go down. Your payments are going to be much lower than they would have initially been, just because of the interest rate going down. Because we're talking over 30 years. We're not just talking over a 6-year auto loan. We're talking over 30 years. So it's a huge deal for buyers. They could be, instead of shopping for a more affordable area or a condo, all of a sudden they could be looking for a house. Who knows? Now, as far as, and you got to remember, guys, this is most likely a once in a lifetime deal. Unfortunately, it's very unfortunate how we got to this point and how the interest rate is so low. It's because of COVID and the impact it's had on the economy. It's very, very unfortunate. However, if you're able to go and capitalize on it and purchase your first home or your first investment property or who knows what, hey, we're all normal people. There is nothing wrong with going after that and seizing the opportunity. So go for it. Now, if you're a seller, how does it affect you? Well, first of all, if you're a homeowner, right, I have a lot of people refinancing right now. Refinancing right now is kind of a no-brainer. A lot of these guys, they were in earlier at 4.5 or 5.5 interest rates. If you're able to get 2.98, that's not bad at all. And of course, that's according to credit and things like that. But so refinancing, if you're a homeowner already, that's obviously an option right now. If you were thinking about selling your home, now of course, like I've discussed before, right now selling homes, it's if you're thinking about selling a home, now is the time to do it, because we don't know what's around the corner as far as foreclosures and short sales and everything else. Of course, if there is an increase in foreclosures and an increase in short sales, that it makes it so that there's going to be more inventory on the market. You add more inventory to match the demand, then the value of your home starts to go down. So, the value, that supply and demand kind of thing. So, obviously that could be around the corner. With all of this, we have no idea truly what's around the corner because this is all unknown to us with COVID. Now, if you were considering selling your home, though, right now demand is still extremely high for buyers. There are homes that will go off the market in 7 days' time, just like before COVID. So that hasn't changed too much at all. However, the lower interest rate is causing more of a feeding frenzy than ever before. So you have more and more buyers now trying to go and take advantage of the 2.98% interest rate, which makes it so that you may be able to sell your home quicker. Also, because of the fact that the interest rate is so low, your home, if you have a $350,000 home, it was only marketable to so many people. Well, all of a sudden, people that were only able to go and afford maybe 300 or 320, they may be able to afford your $350,000 home. So all of a sudden, the marketability of your home has just increased quite a bit because it went down so much, and the buying power of the buyers that were already out there have increased. So If you have any thoughts or any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me and we can have more of a conversation about it. I just had a lot of questions regarding the topic, especially from homeowners, people that already own homes. They were wondering, how in the world does this affect me? Well, there you have it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, give me a call or text me. Again, this is Jim McQuaid with Your Life Realtor. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Have a great day.